Come on. Everyone else is doing it. Squirrels are going nuts down there. We're gradually causing a real flora going on here.
Oh, thank you.
You get that on video?
We're on video,
I'm talking.
as usual. There's loads of them.
And you've ignored that. Look, what is it?
Finch.
Chaffinch. A robin, didn't it? Fuck robins. Isn't that chaffinch? Come on, man.
I think it's a bullfinch. It's red-breasted.
Yeah, but no, it's slightly duller than a bullfinch. Bullfinch is as red as a robin. There it is.
Beautiful.
Oh, really? All over the place. You might both be right.
Possible. Knew you'd be wrong.
Did you feel it?
I got a video of it.
Huh?
I'm videoing it.
But do you feel the difference?
Yes, he's really light.
And no claws. You know, there's no sharpness in the claws. Come on. I'll come further to you. It's only food, isn't it?
Here's the rat.
Blimey, no, it's another one. There's a rat back there,
Here, do you want this?
Gosh, in his face, though.
Oh, I've just put my